Hello, another AQA A-level question. This one's on particle topic. If you want to try a different question from the same topic, click on the information bar up here. If you want to try and answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. So, which is an exchange particle for the weak interaction? To some extent, you just have to know that the W bosons, either W plus or W minus, are the exchange particles for the weak interaction. Let's look at these other options and learn a little bit about particle physics at the same time. Well, leptons aren't exchange particles. Exchange particles are particles that carry a force from one particle to another. And there are four forces you need to know about. There's the strong force, the weak force, and the electromagnetic force. There's also the gravitational force, but we ignore that for particles because it's such a weak force at the subatomic scale. Okay, so the photon, a virtual photon carries the electromagnetic force or the electromagnetic interaction. And pions, you can have three pions. So let's put the symbol for the for a photon. It's that gamma symbol. For a pion or a pi meson, there are three pions. There's a pi 0, a pi plus, and a pi minus. All of those are pions, and they carry the strong force. And finally, there's W plus and W minus, W bosons, and they carry the weak force or weak interaction. So it's that one there. If you found this video useful, click on the subscription button, please. These types of questions are fantastic revision for you, so share them with other people. Thank you for watching.